This edition of MacVoicesTV is brought to you by media sponsor Take Control eBooks. The answers you need now from leading experts. Find out more and download your copy at takecontrolbooks.com. Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner. This is Mac Voices at Macworld iWorld 2013 in San Francisco. I'm on the show floor in the Readies software booth talking to Paul Levine about their new web publishing application. Paul, it's good to see you as always.
Nice to see you too.
So what are we doing this time?
We're showing off the next generation iWeb. It's a really easy to use drag and drop website builder. So it works very similar to iWeb, but has those new modern features that all the new websites want and need.
And it's nice that you're doing this because iWeb, it's pretty much gone away. It's definitely not being updated, and it kind of leaves a lot of the people that were at that level publishing sites in a lurch.
Yeah, you know, Apple discontinued it, but it was such a great tool. People loved it. It did a really great job of making websites really easily, and it was a little limited at the time because it was only for personal sites, but people kind of really extended it. So what we did was we took everything that was great about iWeb and everything that it was lacking, and we just put it into this new program called EasyWeb.
So the first question I have to ask, if I'm an iWeb user or was an iWeb user, I have an existing site, will this pull it in?
Right now, it won't let you import iWeb sites as they are, but you can copy and paste your entire site and just bring it right into the application like that. So you just copy and paste your elements in, and you can copy them right into EasyWeb. But the great thing is that a lot of the iWeb templates are a little bit outdated. They haven't been updated in about 5-6 years already. I think that's how long it's been. And with EasyWeb, it comes with all these built-in modern templates that people might want to just completely redesign their site anyways with it because it's updated for new web browsers and modern features and that kind of stuff.
It's kind of funny when you stop and think about it. Even at the relatively simple iWeb level, things have changed so much in the last 3 to 5 years.
There's definitely, even just Facebook and Twitter. If you want to put a Facebook like button or a Twitter button, iWeb was getting big before those type of things. People were putting those type of things on their site back then, so there's no widgets for that or anything like that. In EasyWeb, we have that built in. So,
can you show us a little bit of it?
Yeah, definitely. I'll show you a quick little demo over here.
Great.
So it has a very similar interface to iWeb, but it's been updated a bit. So it's exact same drag and drop simplicity. Right here we have a YouTube video that we put in, and you can just kind of drag and drop it anywhere on your site. You can just edit text just as you would in iWeb or any web publishing tool. It automatically creates a navigation bar for you, and just some of the features that it has over iWeb, it has things like drop-down menus, which a lot of people were requesting. It's got mouse over and mouse down transitions, so you can create some really cool interactive buttons. And then if you look at the widgets here, it's got things like a Facebook widget, contact forms, Twitter feeds, things that iWeb never had, but everybody really wanted to create that really awesome professional website. You can add things like PayPal, and we're partnering with a company to do certain e-commerce features. So it's a really, really great tool for anyone to just get their website up and have it running. We have one-click publishing just like MobileMe, so you don't need to worry about FTP details, all that kind of stuff. You can have your own personal domain name and not worry about any of those technical aspects.
You make it sound so simple and easy. I guess that's the whole point.
That's why it's called EasyWeb. Can't get easier than that.
Plug-in architecture, anything of that nature, or any opportunities for third-party developers to come in and support this? Oh,
definitely. You can make as many widgets as you want. We're going to be making our own little, really easy-to-use development environment, and you can just kind of visually create some plugins. But yeah, it's going to come with a whole bunch of plugins installed by default, and we'll be making them as we go. We'll just be making some official ones, and third-party people can make their own if they want.
It's always interesting to me about Rage that you all know all the deep stuff, and you have some very deep products for the real geeks in us, and then you turn around and produce something like this. And it's encouraging because that means I know everything underneath the hood is going to work.
Yeah. Well, we've been doing this making Mac software for a really, really long time, and we had our free iWeb SEO tool for a really long time, and we know what iWeb users wanted because we've been hearing about it for years and years. And now we've just taken all that feedback and everything that was great about iWeb and made a really, really great, easy-to-use web building tool.
What's the availability on this?
So we hope to get a beta out in the next couple of weeks. We already have some beta testers lined up. We have a Facebook page up that people can go to and they could keep up to date with what we're doing. It's facebook.com/EasyWeb. You can also visit the radiosw.com site and just sign up to our mailing list. Or you can just Google iWeb replacement app and you'll definitely find us there. So in the next couple of weeks we hope to get a beta out, and then hopefully we'll get a final version out for everyone over the next month or so.
Great. Pricing been determined yet?
Pricing is going to be just like MobileMe, $99 a year. You get the one-click publishing and the software. So everyone's already paying their hosting company like GoDaddy and those companies pretty much the same, $5 to $10 a month. Now you get the web building tool, an easy-to-use publishing system, all for $99, just like MobileMe, and it's extremely, extremely simple. No fiddling with anything. You get everything. You get the email, you get the web space, everything, and don't need to worry about a thing.
And I want to make sure we go back and say that again. So this is not just the authoring solution, this is also the publishing solution.
Oh yeah, it's an all-in-one thing. We want this to be so simple for everyone just to get their site up. If you are a small business owner or a doctor or anything, and you have your practice, you have what you're good at, you just want to get a website up, that's the goal of this software. Don't think about it, design a site that you want. You don't need to rely on anybody else, you don't need to pay somebody to make something that you can't update later. You could make it here, update it whenever you want, and it's really, really simple. Anyone can do it.
And I have to ask, I have control of the domain, I have all of that, so if I decide that I outgrow this or want to move somewhere else, I can take everything with me?
Yeah, so you can either not use a domain or use a domain, but the domain is yours. It's just like having any hosting account, doesn't matter. It's not like we're locking you in anywhere. You buy it, you want to go somewhere else, take the domain with you. We don't think you will, though.
The website, well, you said there's Facebook and all. Where's the main website so they can find this?
So it's not yet. You can go to ReadiesTV.com. We'll be putting some more info on there, but we just started wanting to make a following on Facebook for now. We're going to announce a full website on the ReadiesTV.com website shortly.
Well, it's good to see you. Thanks so much for the time.
Thank you very much.
Folks, we'll have more from Macworld iWorld 2013 in San Francisco. I'm Chuck Joyner. Thanks for watching. MacVoicesTV is part of the MacVoices Group at MacVoicesGroup.com. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at BackbeatMedia.com.